So in this stinger tutorial, we're going to make a stinger that's going to scale in and then scale out. So first thing, we're going to click General, and we're going to split our screen into three. We're going to the bottom left hand corner and clicking and dragging. And same again, but this time up. We're going to sort the camera out by clicking on the camera symbol, and then the two circle symbol in the top, which will give us our rendered view. Press Z and then click rendered. Now we're going to go to the bottom left hand screen and click editor type, and we're going to click graph editor. Then we're going to set up our render settings, clicking on the camera, click color management, change it from filmic to standard, click film, and then click transparent, and that will change our rendered view to have the transparent background. Next, we want to go to our output properties, change the frame rate to 60, change the file format to FFmpeg video, click encoding, change container to WebM, change video codec to WebM/VP9. Make sure you click RGBA to give you your alpha background transparency under the file format. And we are set up there. Now we're going to our workspace screen. Click the cube, delete the cube, click the light source, delete the light source, click the camera, press Alt R, Alt G to reset its location, then press R, type in 90, press X, and then enter. Now we need to click the move button and just move the camera back. You want to make sure you've got import images as plain set, so go to edit, preferences, make sure you're on add-ons, type in image, and as you can see I've already got mine ticked, but you do need to enable this first. So we're going to go file, import, images as planes, find the image you want to use, click emit, make sure you got use alpha, and import image as plane. With the image selected, you want to move your image towards the camera, and I like to make sure it's slightly overlapped, like so. And then we're going to pull this little bottom bar up to give us our timeline. We want to make the stinger around 90 seconds. Now we're going to move the slider up to 40. Right click on the image, insert keyframe, scale and location, and we're just going to move this along again, 50. Right click, insert keyframe, location and scale, and then we're going to pull the slider down to 1. Make sure you got your image clicked, press S, then 0, enter, right click, insert keyframe, location and scale. Now if we play this from here, it should scale up to the middle and stay there. Yep. Now we want to move the slider to 90. Make sure your image is clicked, press S to scale, 0 to scale it out, Press enter. Right click, insert keyframe, location and scale. Give that a quick playback. So it now comes in and out. On the graph editor, press normalize just to make it smoother. Now come back over to your output properties. And then we're going to change where it saves, or otherwise it saves in your temp folder. Going to put this in documents. Click accept once you've named it. And then press Ctrl and F12 to render it. Once again, it will vary on the speed of your computer. When this is completed, we'll jump on to OBS. Now that that's finished, we've jumped over to OBS, or as I'm using, Streamlabs OBS. And we're going to incorporate our new stinger. So we want to go to Edit Scene Transitions, Add Transition, Type, Stinger, name it whatever you'd like. Browse for your video file. Time in milliseconds. We made our stinger 1.5 seconds long. So the transition point is halfway through. In OBS or Streamlabs OBS, it does it in milliseconds. So that will be 750. Click Done. Select your stinger. Click Done. And then try it out. Nice. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, comment and subscribe if you've enjoyed this content.
It's Furby!